thousands of them, rising up and reshaping the landscape of Indonesia's most famous island. Bali is going through a building boom.
You have a lot of celebrities coming to Bali. It's like the Asian Ibiza, so people love it.
The natural beauty that draws millions of admirers each year has also brought cashed-up foreign developers, determined to make Bali the world's playground. From extravagant mini-cities
We're printing our bus stops with the 3D printer.
to the plain absurd.
There's even a jacuzzi in the cockpit.
A building boom is pumping up Bali's economy, but not everyone is happy.
As a Balinese, how does that make you feel?
Well, they destroy the beauty of the island.
We've gotten some threats through some of the reporting that we've done.
What sort of threats?
Death threats.